I just built my own AI image generator running completely locally, no API cost, no rate limit, and it generates images under few seconds. And yeah, I have open sourced the entire thing. Let me first show you what I have built. So let's try something random like let's say a dog is playing in park with a red ball. Let's say the number of images is 1, and yeah, let's select this 1k. Yeah, see, now let's change the red ball to let's say yellow football. See how fast is the output, and also the quality. See, the quality is quite great. It's professional level. So even you can increase the resolution. For example, you can generate up to 4K. It just is that it takes some time. Let's generate a image like a man driving a futuristic hypercar. Let's say 2K 16 by 9 and almost like 4 image. Let me also show you the GPU utilization. As you can see, with the 2K image, the VRAM it is consuming is 26.2 out of 31.5 GB available, and you can see the spikes in the utilization. And now you can see the image, like the quality of the image. It's really great, like almost like a professional level image quality, right? So yeah, this is basically my own mini Midjourney or mini Nano Banana Pro, except I don't have to pay for per image generation. Now this is not just a simple UI calling some APIs. There is a proper system behind this. Let's talk about the architecture. On the front end, I'm using Next.js, a simple UI where a user can enter a prompt, choose like resolutions, and enter the number of images, basically select the number of images, and then the request goes to the backend API. And then I have a layer called workflow engine. Instead of hard coding everything, I dynamically generates a workflow based on the user input, and that workflow is then sent to ComfyUI. ComfyUI acts as an execution engine and runs the image generation pipeline on my GPU. I have a RTX 5090 GPU that is attached to my Windows laptop. And here is the best part. The entire system runs locally, which means no API cost, no rate limit, and no dependency on external services or the internet. And since I'm running this on my RTX 5090, the speed is really fast. Honestly, the quality I'm getting is close to the premium tool like Google's Nano Banana Pro level. I'm also planning to add more features similar to Nano Banana Pro going forward. But the interesting part is not just creating image, it's about the control. When I have all the things running locally, I have control on the model, I have control on the pipeline, and also on the cost. Most developers are still calling APIs from OpenAI and Gemini to generate the image. But I'm trying to build the system behind those APIs. And I have open sourced this entire project. So if you have a GPU, you can literally clone it and run on your own system. And now you will have your own image generation system running on your system freely. This is the version 1. In the upcoming videos, I will add more features like text to video and also replace ComfyUI with direct GPU inference, which will speed up even more. And also I'm planning to make this into a full SaaS kind of system. So if you are interested in building something like this, not just using AI but actually building AI infra, then subscribe my channel and check out the repo. Link is in description. Thank you. Bye.